Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, Caribbean pepper steak with rice and peas. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The mise en place for the rice and peas. The beans, rice, and garlic. Add the coconut milk and the water. Add the herbs and spices. Give it a mix. And it's ready to go in the microwave. The final mise en place for the pepper steak. Heating up some oil. Adding the beef to brown. Once the beef is brown, I set it aside. I add the onion and begin to saute. Add the garlic and saute for about another minute. Add the peppers and continue to saute. Reintroduce the beef and mix and saute again. Add the spices and the sauces. The final pepper steak. And the final rice. And the final Caribbean pepper steak with rice and peas. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.